How to fix can't follow anyone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix can't follow anyone on TikTok, follow this quick and easy step. Firstly, check for the Wi-Fi connection as this can be a major reason why you are facing some of the glitch issue. Now to fix it, you can switch over to a cellular data or enable your airplane mode for a couple of seconds. Then again, launch a TikTok app and try to follow the users. If that is not the case, there might be an app glitch or bug issue. Now to fix it, tap open your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Head over to all apps and search for TikTok application. Now from here, tap on force stop button and OK. Then head over to storage and cache and tap on the clear cache button. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Another is if you are using a VPN, make sure to disable it as sometimes VPN can interfere with TikTok functionality. Another thing is that if you have been following many users at once, this might be the reason why you are not being able to follow people anymore, as this is one of the TikTok feature to limit or prevent spam. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.